Thanks for choosing my syringe pump EN S7 series. In this video, we will talk about how to operate this machine and how to do the calibration of the new brand syringes. We can fix this pump on the AV stand using the pull clamp included in the original packaging box. Now let's turn on the machine by pressing the power key on the right corner for 2 seconds. On the left side, you can see this is a 4.3-inch color TFT touchscreen. This is an AC inductor, and this is alarm inductor. Now you will be asked to whether to use the last treatment. You can choose yes, then go back to the last syrup and click on start to do the infusion to save timing. Or you can choose no. Now we need to install the syringe correctly. Please follow the below steps. Step 1. Hold the clutch and pull the slide to the right side. Step 2. Pull the syringe strut level to max. Then turn to right 90 degrees. Step 3. Insert the syringe flush into the slot. Then turn the syringe strut level leftward 90 degrees. Release and clip the syringe firmly. Step 4. Hold the clamp, push the push and pull box to the left. Hold the syringe end and release it. Okay. Now we hang the extension tube of the syringe on the extension hook and put the syringe inside the tube clamp. Now let's go to the menu, settings. Select the brand of the syringe you are using from the commonly used syringe brand. Okay. Click on the home button to go to the menu anytime. Now let's go to the modes. ENS7 Smart Syringe Pump has 7 modes in total: milliliter per hour mode, body weight mode, TIVA mode, loading dose mode, wrap up down mode, sequence mode, drug library mode. The commonly used mode is milliliter per hour mode, body weight mode, and macro mode. So let's click on the home button again. Go to the settings. We will see the macro mode. So we turn on this mode. We can set up the maximum speed for this mode, like 150. So once we turn on this function, when we go back to the milliliter per hour mode, when we set up the maximum speed, we only can set up the speed lower than 150. Now let's turn off this function. Click on the home. Our milliliter per hour mode combines timing mode and rate mode. We now give VTBI volume to be infused, like 100. And then input the rate. So the minimum rate is 0.01. Okay? And the maximum is, let's give 1000. You can see it go back to 400 milliliter per hour. So this is a 20 milliliter syringe. The maximum speed is 400. Now let's set is 40. Then the timing will be calculated automatically. We can reset the volume here. Okay, now we can click on the start here or start button here to do the infusion. Before the infusion, we can do the purge to remove the air bubble in the tube. So we can do the purge here. Start purge. We can stop it or click on this button to stop running, eliminate alarm. Okay. Or we can do manual purge. Release your hand, it will stop. Now let's start. When the pump is running, we can do the bolus. We can do manual bolus by set up the bolus rate here. Set up the bolus timing. Then we start. Or we can do the manual bolus. Okay, so when the pump is running, we can change the speed very easily. Click on the rate here, give a new rate. That's it. Later, the screen will be locked. You need to unlock it firstly, then you can change the rate or other parameters. Now we will show how to do the calibration. So we stop it firstly. So please make sure you have the following items: syringe pump, syringes when you do the calibration. When it's your first time to use a pump, or when the new brand needed to be added, or when the accuracy is not good, you need to do the calibration. So go to the menu, System, Maintenance with password 2341. Brand maintenance, add a new brand, and you can add it to the brand name, like ENG. Okay. Now we need to select the size. So you can see 2, 5, 10, 20, 30, and 50. For this syringe, the size is 20. Okay. Operation as below show. Push the position to 20, then press bolus. Okay, so now we can do bolus to remove the air bubble. Later, now we just click this button, Start button, to do the calibrating. So you can see it's running. When it reaches the end, the calibration is completed. Okay, so the calibration is completed now. This is a 20 milliliter syringe. If you need to do other size syringe, please follow the above steps. Repeat the above steps. Now let's click the page down. You can see the newly added syringe parameters like out diameter, full range length, empty space. These 3 parameters. We can record these 3 important parameters, and you can edit the name, manually enter the parameter into other syringe pumps so that you have no need to do calibration for other machines for the same brand syringes. Now let's go back to home. Settings. Commonly used syringe brand. Now you can see the new brand we just added. Okay, that's all for today's video. Once more, please feel free to contact with my team if you have any questions. Thank you.